Sanibonani maswati lamahle superstar rockstar level bafethu silana ku-M10 headquarters bafethu. M10 mega promo is in the building and ngiyathi bafethu anasa lo muntu lo wine 100k emalangeni iyiningi le mali bafethu iyiningi le mali mani bafethu. And bengathi ukuthi join mega promo ipromo yethu iqale ngaJuly yaphela September. Ngiyathi nale wina ukuthi solo nyadibuta singabe kuyine bani. Please. Guys, 100k we're about to pay the winner a surprise visit and akade nekuthi siyeda so mina ngiphethe MTN sitawushaya nje kancane sifike lapha simthi sibone nema reactions khamba njani so stay with us through this journey danko. Sanibonani. Ebut, ubheka idlamini. Okawadlala M10 mega promo. Awusakhalalisela mnethu winile 100k 100,000 emalangeni mnethu. 100,000 emalangeni mnethu. Wakho ujoinile M10 mega promo angithi? Okawadlala.
Ngidlalile.
Uyathi? Hayi ke nguwe lona mnethu bamba nje nguwe loyo wonke imali engaka mnethu. Oh, how are you feeling, my brother? Kwendekani ya?
Angathi singithini mina phelelwa amagama. Ay ngacabangi nje lo yaphi dwa.
Utendani le mali grand prize phela le ubashaye bonke eSwatini wonke icompetition beyiqale ngaJuly iphele nyalo September wonke eSwatini ubukile ufuna kwadi ukuthi ngabe kuyine bani ushaye eSwatini wonke.
Athangade futhi ngisafuna ngihlale phansi ngicabange kahle ngaze ngone etindvo manje. Ngayi ngale njawulo mhlawumbe siyangonisa.
Nangi sisilota akuchazela sive ukuthi kwendekani yalithini iplan lokuphela sobambilelane abantu sebakubukile so uqala uthole nema calls from bantu bakho bakadzeni uyabo.
Good Peggy, congratulations Butwam. Yes, udiwinele 100,000 emalangeni. Udlalile Boot Peggy wasenda join 27080 wadiwinela 100,000 emalangeni ngemapoint ngedlala kwakhe kulo 3 months from July to September. Congratulations Boot. Udivu njani? Phelelwa mani. Okay. No Boot, imali yakho lena yakho udiwinele Boot Peggy. Congratulations once again. Siyabonga.
Ay superstar rockstar level bafethu senibonile ke bafethu ukuthi kuyawineka la ka M10 mega promo Boot Peggy uthethe imali lenganga 100k bafethu 100,000 emalangeni so nawe to join make sure ukuthi SMS mega promo change lapha ku 7080 is the number that you have to send the SMS to. Uyakhona kujoina mega promo and sidakhona na ukuthi siqale pheze nyalo October to December. From October to December siyabuya pheze nalenye mega promo so don't miss out bafethu. You could be lucky would fall in our 100k. Kwathi bani bafethu. So we see you guys next time. Danko.
Lokwendeka nje kwangena SMS ngabona but bese beyisaqala yabo 200,000 le mali ngathi asengizongibona 2 rand ngazama ngawina bo 250 bemagrosa ngabona sothi kuyawineka ngachubeka kwanginika lo mdlalo.
Sorry muphi umnyaka lo?
Cha sibo 2 years back ngoba bebachubeka bakutshele ukuthi nyalo leni iphelile kutawuphinze kungeneleni solo nje ngichubeka ngizama awina bo 2.5 phinze bemacross. Yeah. Bathi angisengahlulwa yini kuwina lo 100 ngoba nakho sothi kuyawineka. Ubeke ngidlale ngibone bawinile bo 10,000 kungejile ngaleyo langa lokungeje nga. Ngithi but ngifuna lo 100 akungapheli manje.
From the top of your head now ucabanga nje spend emalini.
Roughly 4,000.
Yay!
Superstar
Superstar Rockstar Level, bafethu, come back to the biggest YouTube channel. Bafethu, naninga subscribe. Make sure you pause this video. Nyalo, subscribe, hit the notification button, comment, most importantly, share this video. Share this video, bafethu, to everyone. Let them know we're part inside the biggest YouTube channel. We're back in the building. You know the vibes. And bafethu, before we take things any further, it's finally happening. Gents, it's finally happening, ne? It's finally happening. On the 30th, mhlaka 30 November, Penuel the Black Pen, What's the Story, live podcast, wonke mvuta bakhona. Guys, we need you guys to be there. 100 rand ticket, moja ticket latholakala eMzimba View. Ndabe nithola ne chance ukuthi nishaye meet and greet one-on-one. Ngiyakhona ukuthi lapho nibuta imibuto bafethu, we finally making it happen. The first biggest live podcast in the country bafethu with Penuel the Black Pen. Make sure you check that one out. Njengenjwayelo ke phana nanyalo, we're getting back to the episodes like Clear Store. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook and all of that bafethu. Bonke bo TikTok and Twitter number technically around la kamanzini. Bafethu, today, this episode is brought to you by MTN Eswatini Bafethu. Chance. How? Chance. Show some energy, guys. Never flow in 100K Bafethu. Just to give you context, Bafethu. Inzaba mega promo, MTN mega promo ya SMS 7080. Ukhona ukuthi win Bafethu. Right now we are with the grand winner Bafethu. Mfu win 100K. Loyong 100K, 100,000 Bafethu. Ish, guys. Budbegi, Dlamini is here to let us know ukuthi wende njani, yini le ndile uzathola 100K and how is he taking it in, ukureceive njani and all of that. But ngicela shayela intandla bafethu guest yethu namuhla le 100K reach bafethu. Budbegi in the building.
Hayi ushaya.
Emnethu. Ufutha Swaziland wonke phela wena.
Bawuqinisile.
Ufutha Swaziland wonke mnethu. 100K.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm shocked in your behalf. When ngiyabona ngathi uchillile, it's like this guy knew, Jens.
No, I'm not.
We were discussing this when we made the surprise kuwe itolo ukuthi hayi man, lo mfuna enyanga lona musi. Ngathi bakutshelile wena ukuthi I know sayithatha le.
Akude lo ngitshelile bhuti wami.
Kude lokutshelile.
Kude.
Tell us more about le promo lena ukuthi kwendekeni yini le kwente ukuthi ujoine, yini le kwente wapressa 7080. Take us through the process.
Lo kwenteka nje kwangena SMS. Ngabona but bese beyisaqala yabo 200,000 le mali. Ngathi asengizembona 2 rand ngazama ngawina bo 250 bemagrosa, ngabona sokuthi kuyawineka, ngachubeka kwanginika lo mdlalo.
Sorry, nguphi umnyaka lo?
Cha sibo 2 years back.
Hey, it's been a long time coming, guys. Okay,
Okay, ngakudlala ngihle wina lamagrosa bangitshela ethi angiye okay, ngiphathe ID yami. Fike ngibatshele ukuthi ngiwine iMega Promo. Kanjalo nje kunginika nje lo mdlandla ukuthi asengikudlale nami bengitshela sengifuna kuwina lo 200. But ke wangigeja, but kungigeja zange kungimoshele amandla ukuthi sale ngiyekela. Ngoba bebachubeka bakutshele ukuthi nyalo leni iphelile kutawubhinze kungene lenye. Solo nje ngicubeka ngizama. Awina bo 2.5 phinze bemacross.
Hey,
Kwanginika lapho kwanginika lo mdlandla ukuthi hayi ngadlulwa yini ukubamba lo 100 nangabe.
Lesimvala. This one is a full-time participant.
Yeah. Ngathi angisengahlulwa yini kuwina lo 100 ngoba nakho sothi kuyawineka. Ubeke ngidlale ngibone bawinile bo 10,000 kungigejile ngaleyo langa lokungigeje nga. Ngithi but ngifuna lo 100 angingapheli mali. Ngadlala ngiva bangishayela ngiwinile 10,000.
Hey,
Bangishayela ngiwinile 25 ngachubeka
wait. Guys, you've won 10,000 before. We won 10,000 ngaphambili.
Yeah. Ngawina lo 2.5 cross.
Yes.
Ngikaze kwaphela bo 5 months. Lo nje ngichubeka ngidlala.
Yes.
Ngabuya bangishayela bathi ngiwinile 10,000. Ngathi but akusiyo le ngiyifunayo. Angiqhubeka ngiyambika. Akuqhubeka kadlala mina ke bangitshela ukuthi bangangitshela ukuthi ngiwine 25. Bangishayela nje bathi hayi khona lesicela manje usisite ngako kwa Mega Promo, khona promotion lesifuna ngisicela nje ku interview. Singakhanza kuphi ngabatshela ukuthi hayi ngihlala kuphi. Beta bangi-interview abasangi-interview yabona bakhipha lisheke bangivetela thatha uwinile 25,000.
Hi guys. Then
Nokachubeka lapho ngadlala lokhu ke namhla sengithethele bengisolo vele ngiyilangatele.
Hayi. No, congratulations, my brother.
Ngiyabonga futhi.
But ngifuna lokwathi ukuthi because the name of the show uyachaza sisi Lindo lokhona la by the way ukuthi isebenza njani stakunika mic ungajaki nje. Ungajaki lapho from MTN ukhona behind the scenes utasichazela ukuthi how are things working and what other promos are coming up because ngiyathi nemaswati phela afuna kwathi ukuthi kuzafana nawe kosente njani. But just to give emaswati background yakho ukuthi ungubani maybe ngoba legama lesho njengoba ngachaza ukuthi what's the story. Sifuna kwathi ukuthi labantu abahlala la student babobani bendani bathume ngani. Usengamthinzi lo 100. Satongena ukuthi utamendani. Impilo yakho injani before ube nga100k richer. I-day to day ungubani wendani bakwati ngabani ukhule lapho uchamngaphi.
Mina ngibheki ngokadlamini ngidlala iltop. Kusikhathi lesiningi nje bebangadinga invote emabhola lothanda ibhola nje vele kakhulu.
Uyayidlala.
Bengidlala but sengimile ngile ngayo.
Umtshito wasekazi.
Yeah.
Udalele khona lapha
Ngidalele khona.
Then ekasi lakho nje nabafika bathi kunje uthi hayi this one
Yalitshale lihlala nebantu labanathako lababhemako but alinathi
umtshito wasekazi nje. Ngoba sibonile idona sinang lapha bathi hey bayolala. Basi batakufikela bakushayela iround endlini.
Yeah, but umvujelo kanjalo uthi hlala nabo bonke abantu.
So now lokuthi sitholele lokuthi umuntu umtshito wasekazi how did the society take it labantu ohlala nabo bakureceive njani lenzaweni ngoba sithine sibonele sibabonile sahamba ekhaya utshele bani hey
Cishe nje khabo ngeze bayadi bangidumisele nasenzaweni bangidumisela labanye ke bangani bami ke vele bebahlale bangibona ngudlala labanye bagcina bakudlala labanye bakhona sebakile bawini ngoba bona kuqala bebento ungathi ukuscheme le mfowenu nakunebantu lobadiko ngibuka ngide ngisho sihlobo ka M10 sho sinye kude nje kumadi.
What if now hey me guys me I have so many questions. If family how are they take already phela lapho sebayaqala babala thinking lapho bamfana nayo ichero nayo.
Yeah, ngibakho.
Bafuna vacation phanya lo baby.
No so fuck said lokuningi labakushito ngoba info lento ekitolo.
Baningi
ubuke ekhambeni
baningani usathe babalance.
No semkhulumela for lo mndeni.
Yeah. Baby munye.
No lapho ngicela kungangeni kakhulu.
Ngoba sengimangela ukuthi ufuna kubalansisa.
Sokhulumela umndeni.
Ngiyaunderstand, I understand emndenini nayo.
Yeah.
So kuthi kholoso ka wayitfola bathi ubona usemntwana kathi ngamgcina phela imali ivusa tipoko imali.
Kakusiza andala abanye basetele lithemba basathi hayi bebathuthela abantu bapromote le nangjana yabo.
Eh bantu abathembi bantu.
Yeah.
Wena. So now mina curious mina ngifuna kwathi mina ngikuthanda tinfu.
Yeah.
Besikhuluma la necrew uthi nangenteka kumunye wethu uchazile uthi angentani uchaza ngentani chaza lona ke vele obvious ukuthi angaqala ayodla qala just to process. Uyambona Mospi.
Ngiyambona.
So out of curiosity ngoba you've had time to think about it ngisho udlala busho ukuthi eish andingayiwina ngenta nak.
Yeah.
Maybe kusiniketa iplan ukuthi yini iplan yakho nyalo lokhu so tawina maybe noma ungeke ukusho unyaka mhlawumbe taba personal but nje lokufika from engcondweni yakho nje nyalo ukuthi yabona naku vele showcase noma vele uyabangena ngegoal 6
nani imoto ekugcina butwami empilweni lakimi yeah kwanyalo ngifuna imvula engangenisa le mali lokungeke kungibangele stress lokufana nje ngetimvo tema property shopping complex noma ke lawo ma backseat bese kungikhani ke sengingaya le golf 6 ngoba utawuchubeka le mali ngeke golf 6 utayikhipha le mali yami iphela
konke lokho 100k
no angisengisho ukuthi kule plan yami
yes no nyalo bengisakhulumela le mali specifically le kusinokuthi cling account
yeah
yini into lokucabangile noma nosadlala njengoba ngisho noma nasenta into siyayicabanga ukuthi yabana ngimthatha lo 100k lo njengoba usho bosolo umcabango yini nje lo wade ukuthi at least into ukufuna ukuthi utende ngale mali lena ingapheli noma ungayi invest somewhere
Mina kwami nje lokucabanga ukuthenga umhlaba.
Oh.
To wendeka lamaphupha ami lengiwafisile.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
Then from there, tinto titahlangane.
Lapho ke sekungahlangane.
A man that owns
ngaya la
land.
ngiyakhona ngconcothe beve nakukhona na. Ngithi ngibekele na structure sami naso. Bangive.
In for certain direction, then, guys. Guys, if we were in MK, you'd probably be somewhere in Sentinel or so. So shall MK with him so I clock when I blow money, champagnes and everything. This guy wants to buy no say chabula ne go to win a plan. But guess not, it's a different story, guys. Now say reporter, it's Lindo. It's a different story.
Ngifisa ngidabe ngikubona. Angijake na.
Yeah, exactly, because sometimes akusiyo ukuthi maybe nguwe. Mina ngicabanga le family le takufaka pressure nabangani. Kuthi ngibo labo songihlule ngishana nge-time ya 5 lapho. Say and yaqala wayisebenzisa seyivele
sayihliphekile. Hayi ethamba atayithola nasengendelele ngekuplanile ngoba ikalahleki le ethamba. Ithabe solo sothi khona. Ngoba lena ngeke isaphela nase sekunalo lokukhona.
manje atochubeka udlaleni noma so nyalo lokho so vanga hayi ugeza tandla lo so vulela labanye abantwana emathuba
hayi satawudlala emanga ngeke ngiwakhuluma ngangikhuluma emanga la ngithi ngidawu
sathi bangena strong
hayi satawudlala butwa
guys then inzaba sisilindo fonela ukuthi nyalo abe athatha aprepareisha ukuthi utabangena athi ngoba I heard ukuthi kune lenye promo letako from when is it starting
Seyivele iqalile.
Seyivele iqalile.
Yeah, 1st of October.
Please ngicela uqale introduce then usitshele ngale promo letako. You just tell us ukuthi ungubani uqhamuka kuphi then yeah.
Okay, mina ngilindo kuhle mamba from MTN ngisuka khona ka marketing. Yes, ngikhuluma yona indzaba ya mega promo. Nyalo nje we've got another promo leqalile nyalo nga-October itophela end of December. So lama promo ethatha 3 months onke. So lena nje le winwe bheki iqale nga-July and then iphele end of September. And then ke bekunema prizes akhona njengoba asho kuba nama weekly winners bawine 2,000 lapho we thatha like randomly. We pick up 4 customers randomly nje sibanikete 2,000 lokusunjuke wadlala. And then those are weekly customers and then bese monthly customers ke bekungilabo 10,000 nakhona ke sibathathe ukuthi okay.
Ngiva ngathi ukhuluma ngathi guys nyamove. Mina take us through the 2,000 uthi winela banjani? This is very important, my sister. Kunebantu nyalo labahleti labafuna kuvisisa. They don't want to miss this opportunity.
Okay, kulama weekly winners we just pick up randomly. Lokusho ukuthi sithatha nje sifake eboxini wonke lodlalile kuleli viki lelo kusukela Monday kube ngiSunday and then we pick up 4 random customers like wine labo to win lo 2,000. Zama kuniketa wonke umfu i-chance lokusinjuke wadlala ku-78 so we're trying to make everyone feel le promo lokuthi khona i-real wonke umfu angawini.
Lo 2,000 amagrosa lo sorry. Ndawubuda vele ngibutela lo 2,000 lothi uwina ngo4 ebani shothi 2 shothi 4 people that's 8,000
each year.
2,000.
But this time around besidela amagrosa because we try to change udlala nje lama prizes ethu ukuthi this 3 months siwinisa kanje nange ama prizes akhona sirenew kulo 3 months lomunye siwinisa kanje so lele phelile nje bekunalabo 2,000 babe yi4 weekly and then monthly ke sinabo 10,000 laba yi4 lapho ke akusiko ukuthi akusiko lapho ukuthi I mean bebayi 3 years akusiko ukuthi lapho it's random pickup besithatha laba dlale from the beginning of the month iziphela inyanga ukusho ukuthi bahlule bonke ngema point and then we take the top 6 and then sifake nakhona ebhodleleni and then spick the top 3 labaphumile and then siba winise 10,000 ke lapho and then sekuna lo 100,000 lo winwe ngibutbeki lapho ke besithatha from the beginning of the promo kulo 3 months sibe ukuthi udlale kahle yini wadlala kakhulu wahlula bonke abantu kulama ngema point akho lokusho ukuthi uhambe embili nje wena udlala but then this time kule promo lephelile nje bezama nakhona kuniketa wonke umuntu i-chance because What we did previously kulalamanye besithatha munye lobahlule bonke from beginning of the promo iziphele ipromo kusayi lona bahlule bonke ngema-point vele bekahamba embili. But nyalo lesikwendako sithatha 3 besithethe 3 sabafaka ebhodleleni shokuthi top 3 lokusho ukuthi 1 2 number 1 na number 2 na number 3 sabafaka nakhona ebhodleleni waphuma munye lona-ke lo benenhlanhla because nakhona sesizama ukuthi okay nami bengimgijimisa number 1 but then kwanza ukuthi bengihamba kancane yabo sesizama ukuthi asebawine nalabanye beve nje ukuthi kunjani with 100,000. Then this one ke sesinanayile nshake leqale
Okay, wait, sorry to cut you. Not to get uyadlala, how do you enter the competition?
You SMS join to 78.
You
Mau
SMS join to 78.
Yes, SMS and just simple SMS join to 78. Mau SMS and then you interact with the questions. Baksendela 5 questions. Mau qeda nje kusenda and confirm lokho vele uyajoyina and then baksendele 5 questions. Wapemvule ngathuwe malangeni. Mau qeda if batakusendele message ukuthi if you want to play more, usenda more. Mau senda more bakusendele lamanye ama questions live 40 ke lapho. But batakusendela ngalo 5 you answer the 5 and then you uphinze usende more uphinze ubhadale thuwe malangeni lomunye uasarishe lo 5 questions uphinze usende more lokusenda more ngiloku request nje lokuthi you still want to play, you still want to add points kulo mdlalo wakho lo udlalayo and then usende kusho lokho kutaba kayi 40 and then emva kwaloko nasucedzile ke sekunabo go batakutshela kusinyalo sekusendwa bo go lo go uvela kunikete 100 points nje usamsend uthi go sekude ama questions you just get 100 points phinze uthi go ubhadale 2 rand 100 points go lo munye umsenda kayi 100 ke yena so yeah and then
Mabhekzo tindvo takho leto. I-field yakhe Mabhekzo le. Ngece nje sisilindo ukujuba ngifuna kwade ukuthi how much did you spend kulokudlala uze uwine 100k from the top of your head now cabanga nje spend emalini
Roughly 4,000.
No, and I'm asking le mbuto lona ngibuto lo mbuto ngoba ngifuna abantu ekhaya ba-understand ukuthi kwendekani kuze angeke uwine nje u-SMS yang 2-3 because some people but asengizame kube by the way you need to be consistent ngalokudlala. So yes, sisilindo sithatha sibekele lensha ngivile bathi siya Cape Town. Hopefully nale crew tabi iwina ke yo interview Cape Town ngeke phela guys. Ngeke M10 Eswatini nendani senyashiya nasisakhasi. Guys, siyahamba siya Cape Town guys.
Yes, siyahamba se Cape Town. This one iqalile njengoba ngisho ukuthi iqalile beginning of October itophela end of December. Lapho ke khona we still have sinema daily winners ethu lawo ang 45 athola 100 MBs nakhona siwapicka randomly from le laba labadlala kubathola 100 MBs daily. And then bese siba nalama weekly customers ethu lengwashite ekuqaleni so la sesekhona la abo 2000 live for sesithi ama monthly winners ethu this time around kule nyanga yekuqala nje nyalo lokuphelile inyanga utaba na 2 customers lakata uphikwa lahlule bonke and then atingiwoke la eCape Town ahamba nema partners awo everything is catered for by MTN thenga kuneliticket lendiza kulalwe hotela kunemali kwenda ama activities eCape Town gitshelwe bo Red Bus donke leto dimfo leto ubuyo on Sunday and then even on kule nyanga lelandzelako ke which is November khona kutophikwa munye nayo tothatha partner wakhe ahamba eCape Town chokuthi le trip itawuba yinye itoba ngaDecember sebabonke batophelela kusho bataba bayi6 but kwines bataba yi3 bahambe nema partners yes +1 wakho akusho ukuthi umuntu lothandzana naye it can be umuntu lothandzana naye your child your mother anyone lofisa kuhamba naye
Putbek utangenela lena
Ngayingenela.
Tohamba nabona.
Ndawubona mi.
Ushintsha to balances. Okay.
Yes, and then 100,000 ukhona ke nakuphela December khona 100,000.
100,000 things yabuya.
Yes.
Yo.
Shows us in Cape Town sina 100,000 sinabo 2,000 bema weekly winners.
Kuningi most guys.
Yes.
Guys, me I'd say bengikhona ngimi lo announceile ufika mina lapha ngito surprise lapha eSpark mawalala.
Yeah, kufike wena.
Come with the grand prize winner things where they legit. Which camera should we show them? Hey, Musiyami, ngabe uyasibambela. Nayi le praise abheki bafethu. It's happening. Bengiphethe le, are you guys able to sit? Phela emakhani ngabavimbela ukuthi bangaboni. Buto balansisa khethu. Buto balansisa la, you have the right to, so that ekhaya batobona ukuthi asikhulumi info lengekho. Is it proper? Put back lona, I think tindzaba tekungenela la 78 SMS konke siyakubona. Kuthi khona, it's legit. Win, guys, hey, I might as well have to join. Nami ngivumelekile kuyijoyina le ngoba without something sengiscam.
No, vumelekile.
Cabanga winner kwa without so I was vele. You see, guys, are there any questions left for Putbek? Angahambi samba, guys, don't know 100k reach, guys. Ngizabe ma interview akusithi on for Kenya. No questions. Nah, my brother, not unless khona lo ufuna kumvusela ekhaya, utshele ukuthi ajoin competition.
No, nje ngacela unke maswathi akajoin akusiskima akadlale kuyawina.
Yeah. Siyabangena.
Yeah.
2025 or end of this year siyabangena Cape Town with your partner.
Yeah, beviki.
Siyabonga futhi ukuzivakashela. All the best. Uthole nalomhlaba.
Hayi siyabonga.
Thank you.